Jai Hind students, welcome to online class of Shri Ram Public School. Myself Shweta Srivastav, your maths teacher. In the previous class, I was explained construction. Construction I will continue in the next lecture. Now today we start new chapter, chapter 18, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Trapezium. Then what is trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel opposite sides. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. Trapezium भी हमारा क्या है? Quadrilateral है having one pair of opposite parallel side. They have only one pair of opposite parallel side. Look this figure. This is trapezium. This side is non-parallel. This side non-parallel, and this side is parallel. This side is parallel. Then one pair of parallel side and one pair of non-parallel side. Clear? Now next is the area. What is the area? Area of trapezium 1/2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. Area of trapezium student 1/2 sum of parallel side. It means firstly we add the length of the parallel sides. Parallel side की length को हम क्या करेंगे? Sum करेंगे. After then multiply the distance between them. It means multiply the altitude, multiply the height of between them. Height, ये देखिए, this is the height, this is height, multiply by the height. It means distance between them. दोनों के बीच की distance से multiply करेंगे. Clear? तो now here is trapezium and area of trapezium. Everyone know trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides, one pair of opposite parallel side, one pair of opposite parallel side, and area 1/2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. Clear? Now student, exercise is based on this formula. Today we start exercise 18A. Exercise 18A, that is based on the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Look, question first. The area of a trapezium whose parallel side is 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. Find the area. Area find करना है. Parallel side length is given and the distance between distance also given. Then firstly we find the area. Very easy question. Start exercise 18A. First question, area of trapezium 1/2 sum of parallel sides into distance between them is 1/2 sum of the parallel side. Parallel side is 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter into height is 15 centimeter equals to 1/2. Firstly solve the bracket. 24 and 20 is the 44 into 15. Clear? Firstly, we solve the bracket. 24 and 20 is 44 into 15. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. It's 22 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 22 into 15. 22 into 15 is, multiply them, is 330 centimeter square. Units also right. Clear? If here is meter, that is the meter square. Here is centimeter, then we write the centimeter square. Unit also right. Clear? It's very easy. Again students, next question. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides, again parallel sides given, and the distance between them, distance also given. Find the area. Clear? Very easy. Other questions. The shape of the top surface of the table of trapezium, its parallel, the sides 1 meter and 1.4 centimeter are perpendicular. Distance between them is 0.9. Find the area. Same question. Sum the parallel side. Firstly, area equals to 1 upon 2 sum of the parallel side. Parallel side is given. This is the parallel side. This is the parallel side. Find the sum 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side into, this is the height. This is height into height. Clear everyone? Now other questions, very easy question. Try to solve. Next, solve any questions. All are the same. Areas given. Like question 5, a field is a form of trapezium if area is 1586 meter square and the distance between them, its parallel side is 26 meter. If one parallel side is 84, find the other. If field is a form of trapezium, field किस shape में है? trapezium के. Area is given and the distance is given, distance also given, and one parallel side is given. Find the other parallel side. Other parallel side is missing. Then firstly we assume the other parallel side. Let the other parallel side be x. Question number 5th. Let the other parallel side be x. Other parallel side be x. Area 1 upon 2 sum of parallel sides into height equals to area. How much given? 1586 1 upon 2. 1 is 84, one parallel side 84 and distance between them 26. One side is x, other side is 84 and the distance between them is 26. Clear? Look here, 26 and one side is 84. Again solve. 2 1 ja 2, 13 times cutted. Again 1586 13 मल्टीपल में है, डाउन साइड ट्रांसफर करेंगे अपॉन 13 इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 84. कट करिए. 13 1 जा 13, 13 1 जा 13, 2 13 2 जा 26, 13 2 जा 26. क्लियर? 122 इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 84. x इक्वल्स टू 122 माइनस 84. 122 minus 84, it's 38. Other side is 38. Clear everyone? Now it's very easy exercise. Find the area in most of the questions. Try to solve, and when you have doubt, ask in evening class. Thanks student. Class is over.